How to delete Google Maps activity from your Google Maps app. Simply open Google Maps, press on your profile icon. Here, if you have your timeline enabled, which is location history, you can press on that and then press on the three dots, and we can press on location and privacy settings, and we can delete all timeline data, or we can set things to auto delete as well, so keep that in mind. That is to delete timeline, which is location history. If you'd like to delete other history settings, press on your profile icon, go to settings and find Maps History. Press on it. Here you can press on delete, select the date range. Let's select delete all time. Then confirm our deletion by pressing delete. While we're here, do keep in mind you can turn off activity keeping from Google account, or you can set things to auto delete. Let's say in this example, I've set it to auto delete every 3 months. So I don't have to go back into Google Apps or my Google account to keep deleting Google Maps activity. So the latest options that Google offers you gives you more precise control. While we're here, let's take a look at more. This may definitely be helpful if you have used Google Maps and interacted with Google Maps app. Let's say in Australia we have crisis response. Let's say our government sends us a message saying, you know what, there is some extreme weather happening or something. Then if we have interacted with certain things using Google Maps, we may want to delete those activities as well. And you can find that from the More option. This is how you delete Google Maps history, including location history, which today is called the timeline.